Hello everyone. In this video we will see how we can change the color scheme of our Bootstrap application in Angular. So first let's create our Angular application. So I will go to the desktop and then we can run ng-new, ngb, then sass. We need to pass the flag for style equal to scss here. Now it will install the dependencies. Now we can install the Bootstrap packages. So first I will switch to the directory. Then we can run npm install Bootstrap. Then we need jQuery and then popper.js. Then we can do -- save. Now we can open the project in the editor. I am using Visual Studio Code here. Now we can go to Angular CLI.json. Now we can add the Bootstrap CSS styles here in the styles array, and then we can add the scripts here in the scripts array. Here the order is important, so make sure to put jQuery first and then popper.js and then the Bootstrap.js. Now for our layout, let's use one of the Bootstrap example themes. So we will go to Bootstrap examples and then here we can use any theme. Let's click on album and then we can use view source, and then here we can copy the body. Actually let's copy the entire page, then we will remove the header part. So let's go to our editor and then we can go to source app, then app.component.html, and then we can paste it here, and then let's remove the scripts here. We don't need that, and then the HTML. We also don't need HTML at the top here. So now if I save it, actually we don't need body too, so we can remove the body also. So now if I save it, and now if we start the server with ng serve -- open, now it will open the browser automatically. So here you can see our Bootstrap page. Here the images are not loading, so that's not an issue. So now let's see how we can change the color scheme. So we will go to our editor and then we can go to styles.scss, and here we need to include Bootstrap here. So if we go to the browser and then open Bootstrap theming here, and then you can see here for changing the color scheme or changing the theme, we can do the following. We can use the option A or we can use the option B. We can include entire Bootstrap or we can include certain components. So let's go with this one. So I can paste it here, and currently it won't do anything, but now what we can do is use the variables and then we can change the theme here. So let's say if we use this one and here we can paste it. Currently it is using the blue for the primary color, and wherever we are using the primary color it will change to blue. So if we go here, here our button is using the primary color, so let's say we change it to, let's say maybe this color. So now if I save it and I go back to the browser, you can see the color is changed here. Also if we go to the bottom, you can see wherever we are using the primary color it will change to this color that we changed. Similarly we can change the navbar color. So if we go to our editor and in the app.component.html, here you can see our navbar is using the dark color. So if we change the dark color to something else in the theme, so wherever we are using this dark color it will change. So let's say for dark we want to use 696969, it's gray. So if I save it and I go back here, you can see it is changed to gray here. Similarly you can use other variables provided by Bootstrap. So let's say if you want to change the background of the body, you can use variable body bg, and then you can pass maybe red here. So now if I save it and go back here, you can see the body background has been changed to red. So if we inspect the element and we click on body here, you can see the background color is red here. Now if I remove it and then I save it, and now I inspect the body, here you can see the background color is white. So similarly, you can check all the different variables that or functions you can add here and change your color scheme accordingly.